Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to export data from TradingView. Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to export data from TradingView. Now, first, head over to TradingView and log into your account. Once you're in, scroll down and open a full chart view. Next, click on the Trading Panel tab located at the bottom of the screen. Then choose a broker from the list. For this example, I'll select paper trading. Click connect from the pop-up window. Once you're connected, click the small arrow next to your broker's name to open a drop-down menu. From here, select export data. Now choose the type of data you want to export. Let's pick orders for this demonstration. Finally, click export at the bottom right corner and your data will instantly download as an Excel file. That's it, you've successfully exported your data from TradingView in just a few steps. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.